when you want to learn how to make stickers, not only you gotta know which printer machine or sticker maker machine or vinyl cutter you need, but you also need to learn how to design your stickers, how to edit them, how to present them to your customer, and also how to sell them. So in this video, I'm gonna show you all of that step by step, and I'm gonna show you the tools that I will use made by myself. So also, if you are interested and you want to support my channel, I will leave the links below if you want to get my programs that can help you make QR codes, or even a software, or even a program to present your artwork. So in this video, I'm going to show you also a strategy that I developed, which is marketing stickers. So if you never heard of this term, marketing stickers is a great way for you to sell your stickers, and I'm going to show you how I make mine. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. So let's begin with the video. Alright, so let's start with the design, and I use Deep AI, which is a website that creates free images and logos for free. I will leave the link below, and I already told AI, make me a cute sticker of a round waffle holding a white square and make it on a blue background. Now with AI, you have to be very specific. You gotta tell it because it was making me like square waffles, but you have to be specific, like a round waffle and a white square. Now why do I want a square? Well, I will show you in a second why. This is a strategy that I've been using to sell stickers. I offer them to restaurants like Pancake House mainly, so that way I can customize their menu if people want to order, but I will show you in a second. So now the next thing will be to copy this image. So copy image, and I'm gonna use my software Luminosa, and I'm going to paste this design now. And now the next step is to remove the background. So I'm gonna use the color remover, and that's why I told AI to make it on a color background, because it's easier to remove the background when it's just a plain background. So remove outer color, and now I have only the image, the sticker, or whatever you want to call it. So now next step, let's make it a little bit bigger, and the next step will be to do the write something like order online. So I'm gonna freeze so it doesn't move. So I'm gonna add a text, and I'm gonna type in order online. This is going to be for their marketing. So if they have like an online menu, this would be good. So I'm gonna choose a script text, or whatever you call this. I think this goes with the design. And now I'm going to spin this with the blue knot and spin it here. Okay, that's good. Let's place it down here. All right, so now the next thing is we want to match every detail. So I'm gonna select the color tool, select the color of the waffle or the outline, and just do that color so it matches with the design of the waffle. So now let's do customize the QR code. I'm gonna use a sample restaurant. It's not the customer's restaurant, but I'm just gonna show you as an example. So let's pretend that this is the my customer's restaurant. It is not, but this is an example. So let's go to the website, and it has a menu here. You can click on their menu, and it will take you directly to their online menu. Now the next step will be to copy the URL, make sure it says the menu. So I'm going to copy, and I'm going to do create a QR code with my QR code generator. I have advertised this program too, so I'm gonna paste the URL and generate code, and there it is. That's the QR code for this website right here, the menu. So now I'm going to copy this too. So copy image, go to my software and click Control and V to paste. And now I'm gonna make this QR code smaller, a little bit smaller. Make sure it fits on the frame. And I'm going to select and fill color so it matches with the color of the waffle too. Now I'm going to spin this, rotate down or up, whatever. I'm going to rotate up. Oh, it was backwards, supposed to be down. Okay, I'm gonna rotate down, and I'm going to place this here in the center. I'm probably gonna make it a little bit smaller so it doesn't interfere with the font below. I think that's gonna be good. So here I have a fully marketing sticker that Pancake House, if they want to advertise their online menu, Pancake House, they get a lot of kids, they get a lot of people. They can put it on the counter in the front, free stickers, and that's a good way to advertise their menu so people can order online from their menu. So now I'm gonna download the sticker, fully customized. Now let's go to another program that I developed, and this is the 3D spinning image creator. So I'm going to upload that image. So upload the image, and it's gonna be this one, and upload this same one. And now let's see a preview. Let's see how the image or the sticker looks like, and that's gonna be good. Okay, now I'm gonna do my advertising. So I'm gonna click, if you are interested, you can order your stickers below. Alright, so now I'm gonna use my URL of my business page. So let's pretend that this is my eBay store, and I do offer 100 customized stickers for $26, okay, and free, $4.50 for delivery. So I'm gonna copy on my URL on my eBay store. If you don't have a website, then paste. It can also be your Etsy shop. So just download the program and let's check it out. See, this is the sample that I can send to a restaurant online. I can send them a sample. Look, I do this marketing stickers that can help you get sales, orders online by giving free stickers, and I can send them a sample of what I can do for them. Like they can take this as their mascot, like a cute waffle with a QR code of their menu. And here you can see what I type. If you are interested, you can order your stickers below. So let me close this so you can see. Now let's click on the button and look at that. It's the same URL or store where I linked my sample that I can send by text to my customer. So that way it's a good way for them to make business, and also for you to sell your stickers. So it's a creative way that so far I don't see anywhere. People are missing some money. You can focus also on restaurants and be creative. So anyway, if you like this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe for more ideas, and also if you are interested on this program for sending your samples, or the QR code generator, or my software Luminosa, which I advertise a lot on my channel, just follow the link below. I will leave them on the description or on the first comment. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.